Okay, today we got this, our grocery haul. It's a rotisserie chicken, potatoes, and mac and cheese. Okay. Now we got a bag of dark sweet cherries, frozen, sliced peaches with and yellow and heavy syrup. Got fruit cocktail from juice. Got juice in it, the juice of them, and cottage cheese. We're going to eat the cottage cheese and the fruit cocktail together. We're just going to unthaw these and eat these by ourselves. Okay, today we got parchment paper, 100 square feet for $5.27. We got air fryer liners. We got a bag of plates, 200 for $9. Got a box of 100 freezer bags. Got Palmolive dishwashing soap, 2 of them. They was 97 cents a piece. We only use one a month. We do. Just one of these a month. These was $5. This was $9, and it is Big John's pickle sausage. That's for snacks. And then we got Craven potato chips to make nachos one night. We got my favorite and no carbs. And the only thing I'm allowed to eat while I'm a diabetic is pork skins for a snack while I'm allowed to eat them. And then I got these pork rinds. These pork rinds was $1.97. And these was $1.99. These plates was $2.57 for 50 of them. And this was got 1, 2, 3 sections. And it's for kids. And it's $2.57. So altogether, we spent $80 today. And yesterday, I bought these for my stove, $7.97. $7.97, so it's about $15 altogether. But I'm hoping when I take everything off that my burners will set down like they're supposed to now. Hopefully. And they won't be warping my skillets or my plates or whatever hell I was sitting on this stove. So this concludes our grocery haul. I know it ain't much, but it's $80. So that was bad enough. And that was 15 more. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Go out and make sure you go and get you one of them rotisserie chickens with 2 sides for $9.97 plus tax. Make sure you go get that. Thanks. Because that'll be easy dinner for when you're busy or after school, or if you're working, that'll be a lunch. Or you can get it to eat while you're going home, on your way home, and that'll be your family about to eat. But for us, it's going to make me 2 meals and Ronnie 2 meals. So you can't beat that for $10. Thanks. Okay, well, this didn't work, so it ain't no better than what I did have. Look. Because these right here, see, does not line up. Does not. And also, this is for 10 more. And look, you shouldn't be able to do that. So it didn't help me out none.